Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings on the Medieval Dynasty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Medieval Dynasty game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you will be able to start playing right away. Now, if you are in the middle of a game, but you wish to change your control settings, simply tap on the escape button on your keyboard and then click on the settings button. From the settings page, go ahead and click on Keybindings, and now you will be able to change all of your control settings within this page. Just click on whichever action you wish to change the key for and double click on it, and you will now be asked to enter the new key that you want to set this into. After entering this key, it will now be set as the new input for this action. Redefine all of the controls that you wish by following this method, and once you are done, you can go back and start enjoying your game. And now your control settings have been changed and your preferences have been applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.